In this tutorial, we will examine the Circle toolbar. Let's undock it. As you know, a circle has a center point. Choose the center point on the grid, or you can enter it right here. You can choose the radius size 2. For example, 1 inch. Click Enter. All right, let's delete this. Let's create a centered rectangle. Next, we'll examine the 3-point circle. Let's choose our points 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's delete it. Next is a circle defined from coordinates. Let's select the points we'll use as coordinates. 1 inch vertical, 1 inch horizontal. Let's have a radius of 1/2 inch. Click OK. And you see that we have indeed created a circle with a center point of 1 inch vertical and 1 inch horizontal from this point. Let's delete it and delete this point as well. Next is our 3-tangent circle. I'm going to select one line, a second line, and a third line. You see that CATIA has created a circle tangent to all 3 of these lines. Okay, let's select and delete it. Next is a 3-point arc. This we've already looked at. Let's show it again though. And here is our 3-point arc. Let's delete it. Next is a 3-point arc starting with a limit. And point number 3. Let's delete this. By the way, you don't have to use existing points. You can just create your own independent points. Let's delete that. Lastly, let's examine the arc tool. First, we select a center point. Next, we choose where the arc starts. And finally, we choose where it ends. And this concludes our Circle toolbar tutorial. Oh, one final point. Feel free to explore how these tools work in conjunction with the Sketch Tools toolbar. And this indeed concludes our Circle toolbar tutorial.